So hello guys, welcome back to all of you on our official YouTube channel Day to Day Tech. So today our video topic is that what is floppy disk, how does floppy disk work, and how it data write on floppy disk in terms of sector and tracks. So before starting this video, I request you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video for the amazing type of video I will provide you. So without wasting time, let's start a video. Okay. So I will provide you this whole article link in the description. From there you can go to this website and also read the whole article very detailed and very details. Okay, so let's start. What is floppy disk? A floppy disk is also known as a floppy or diskette, is the type of removable storage media using to store data on computer. The disks are usually made for are usually made from plastic and metal and can hold anywhere from 100 KB to 144 MB of data. Is developed 1971 and become widely using starting in the late 1970s. It's eventually replaced the other form of the storage device such as CD-ROM, DVD and USB drive. How does floppy disk work? Let's talk about it. A floppy disk work by storing data magnetically on the surface of its circular platter inside the drive. Inside the drive, a read-write head moves across the platter, reading out bit of the informations that have been encoded on to it. The drive when interprets these bits into words, pictures or audio can also read by the computer processor. Okay, how does data writes on floppy disk in terms of sector and tracks? Okay, data on floppy disk is organized and stored using two primary structure, sector and track. Here are how they does work together. Understanding sector. Number first, the sector are like a angular piece of a pie, each holding a set number of bytes. In many cases, particularly with a high density 3/1.2 inch floppy disk, a sector contain 512 bytes. Exploring tracks. Number 2, tracks are the circular path around the disk surface, somewhat akin to grooves on a record. Each track is divided into these sectors, creating multiple sectors per track. For instance, a typically configuration might have 18 sectors per track. Okay, disk layout. A standard 3/1/2 inch floppy disk might be organized with the 80 track on each side and the disk being the disk often being double-sided. This result the considerable total storage capacity when combined. The sector and track amount track to around 14,74,560 bytes per disk. Okay, so this is the huge amount that disk layout can track that. Okay, in the 19th century, when the floppy disk was in the market, very popular. So now floppy disk, and nowadays we didn't use floppy disk for data transferring. We just use the latest device like micro SSD, USB drive and SD card. We use this type of the device in our latest daily life. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt or any question in your mind, so tell me in the comment section. I will make another video on that topic. So see ya, goodbye.